Direct from the financial markets, here are the most recent headlines. Brought to you by Miles Capital.
A very good day to everybody. This is Aksa welcoming you to another edition of Miles Financial News. Join us as we explore the latest financial trends that would help you navigate today's complex markets. So let's delve into the headlines quick. Gold prices have drawn interest for the third day in a row on Friday, trading close to the weekly peak as the European session approaches. However, the rally lags strong bullish momentum as investors remain cautious, awaiting the critical US non-farm payrolls report before making new directional moves. In the interim, increasing expectations for a significant interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve in September have continued to put downward pressure on the US dollar for the third day, providing support to the non-yielding yellow metal. Additionally, mixed US employment data this week indicating a potential cooling in the labor market coupled with ongoing geopolitical tensions has dampened risk appetite among investors. These factors are contributing to gold's appeal as a safe haven asset. Nonetheless, it is advisable to wait for further buying confirmation before betting on an extension of the current two-day uptrend as key US macroeconomic data looms. Now, West Texas Intermediate crude oil prices traded around $68.60 during Asian hours on Friday, near the $68.37 low recorded on Thursday, the lowest since December 2023. Prices have been under pressure due to concerns over demand from both the United States and China. Additionally, WTI prices could receive support from the Federal Reserve's dovish stance with expectations of a potential aggressive rate cut in September. So let's see what's coming next. And that wraps up our financial news for today. Join us tomorrow once again to explore the latest financial trends. This is Aksa signing off.